This is a 2010 Chevy Malibu, the 2.4 liter, and this is where the oil pressure sensor is located. If you're coming in from the driver's side, you're coming in, your dipstick, your oil filter housing, and then right behind it is your oil pressure sensor. Right there. That bolt is your knock sensor bolt. But this is your oil pressure sensor. So you gotta undo that clip and then put a deep socket on the oil to get it out. So if you're looking back, you come in, get down in here, and then remove that clip to take it out. Put a socket around it after you have that wire removed.